Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to show you an interesting functionality and tool. It's called greetingsisland.com. Here you can create various greeting card, whether it's your wedding anniversary card, whether it is a birthday, whether it is any party. So you can also create invites. So what makes it different from the normal invites is that in normal invites you just create an invite and you will print it and give it to a person, or you will just send a link to that person. So now using this platform, when you create an invite, you can create a portal for RSVP. RSVP means you can acknowledge whether you are going to attend the event or not. So this will be very useful for the host because that will help them save a ton of resources and help save money and avoid wastage of food and resources. So if you have invited 100 people for a birthday party of your child, and if all the 100 people are not coming, you would order food for that person and various things for that person. So now if you know just before the event like only 60 people will be coming, then you can plan accordingly and it will not lead to any wastage of resources. So that is the whole idea behind it. So now say I'm going to create a wedding invitation. Let's say whether it is a save the date, rustic, simple. This is wedding invites. Okay, this is the wedding invites you see here. So I'm saying a simple wedding invite. Okay, so now here I have all these options that is available. I'll go with maybe this. Maybe this is premium one. So now here I can go ahead and customize it. So I just say customize. So it will ask me to put in the details there for the customization. So after I customize, I can add a photo if I want. Then if I'll say Mr. No. Okay, the event is in, let's say, 22 0 Bangalore. So you can put any other information that you want here. Okay, so you can customize all those things. I'm not getting into much details of all those things here. Now it is asking me to log in. Here I will log in with my Google account so that I can save the details the next time I log in and pull out those information. So let me log in. So after logging in, now you can add any text if you want. You can insert a text here and put in, or you can put an image if you want. So I just remove it. So if you want to add any sticker, you can add a sticker, whether it's an engagement, then you can add engagement ring and all here as a sticker. Then if you want to add a photo for the background, that you can do it, or if you want to add a separate image, you can do it. But the interesting functionality that you want to show is this function, create RSVP. So if you see here, there is this watermark. So if you want to remove that, then you will have to pay for it. But if you don't want to remove it, then you can continue to use it. So interesting functionality that I am talking about this is create RSVP. So turn your invitation into an online RSVP page and easily track guest attendance. Okay, so let me create that RSVP page. So by doing so, if you see this shareable link I get, okay, you can also generate a QR code and you can put that in your invitation. So now it is done. So I'll say next. Now you can download it and send it by putting a QR code. They can RSVP, or they can just go to this link and do an RSVP. You can order prints also, which is offering free shipping, I guess. So now what I will do is I'll go to the URL and type in this information. Okay, so now here it is asking me, this is the invitation, right? So here it is asking me, will you attend? Yes, maybe, no. So I say yes. Total guests, how many of you are planning to attend? One person. Then name and email and submit. So I'll say Mr. No. Okay. So I'll put okay, I just put one random email and say submit. Wonderful, thanks for confirming. See you at the event. So in case you are not attending, then you can change that and the status, you can change it from there. Okay, so this is the cost for around 30 prints, I guess. So now if I go to RSVP settings, I can change it, link, QR code, all this functionality is there. Now if I go here and go to the options, right, I can see the RSVP of that card that I already created. So my events. So if I go to my events, I should be able to see, I guess. So you see this. So now here I will be able to see who all are attending or not. So you see, this is the person, that person is attending. So in this way, I can take a count of it. So if I want to message the guest, right, who all are attending the event, if I want to give some information about any change in venue or what dress code you need to wear or any other information, I can do that from here too. So this is a very interesting tool and it will help you save a lot of money in terms of resources by helping you plan your event better. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.